Ever heard of Tepache? This effervescent, probiotic-rich drink has been a hidden gem in Mexican culture for centuries, traditionally brewed from pineapple peels, cinnamon, and brown sugar. Beyond its refreshing taste, Tepache packs a nutritional punch. It's loaded with beneficial bacteria that support gut health. In fact, probiotic foods like Tepache have been linked to improved digestion and strengthened immune systems. Ready to explore a delicious way to boost your health? Let's dive into the world of Tepache today. Throwing away pineapple skins means missing out on a treasure trove of nutrients and a key ingredient for making Tepache, a beloved probiotic drink. Pineapple skins are rich in bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties and digestive benefits. They also contain vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants that support immune function and overall health. By repurposing pineapple skins to make Tepache, you not only reduce food waste but also harness these nutrients to create a flavorful, gut-friendly beverage that promotes wellness. So next time you enjoy a pineapple, consider saving the skin to brew your own batch of Tepache. It's a delicious way to make the most of every part of this tropical fruit. Discovering Tepache opens up a world of health benefits, from improved digestion to strengthened immune function. Here are 10 main health benefits of Tepache. Probiotic support. Tepache is fermented, meaning it's rich in probiotics that promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. This can aid digestion, reduce bloating, and enhance nutrient absorption. Immune system boost. The probiotics in Tepache help support immune function by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which plays a crucial role in immune response. Anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain from pineapple skins, a key ingredient in Tepache, has anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce swelling and inflammation in the body. Digestive aid. Tepache contains enzymes like bromelain that assist in breaking down proteins, aiding digestion and potentially easing symptoms of indigestion or discomfort. Antioxidant-rich. Pineapple skins used in Tepache are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, which help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and supporting overall cellular health. Hydration. Tepache is a hydrating beverage that can help maintain fluid balance in the body, especially important in hot climates or after physical activity. Detoxification support. The enzymes and acids in Tepache may support the body's natural detoxification processes by aiding liver function and promoting the elimination of waste. Vitamin and mineral boost. Pineapple skins used in Tepache are a good source of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, manganese, and potassium, which are essential for various bodily functions. Weight management. Tepache is a low-calorie, naturally sweetened beverage that can be a healthier alternative to sugary drinks, supporting weight management efforts when consumed in moderation. Mood enhancement. The gut-brain connection suggests that a healthy gut microbiome, supported by probiotics in Tepache, may positively influence mood and mental well-being. These benefits highlight Tepache as not only a delicious beverage but also a functional addition to a balanced diet, offering various ways to support overall health and well-being. As you've learned, Tepache isn't just a refreshing drink, it's a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits waiting to be enjoyed. Whether you're looking to boost your digestion, support your immune system, or simply savor a taste of Mexican tradition, Tepache offers a delicious and nutritious solution. So, why not try brewing your own at home? Embrace the flavors, embrace the health benefits, and embrace a new culinary adventure with Tepache. Thank you for watching till the end and exploring the wonderful world of Tepache with us. See you in the next video.